Good morning, students. I hope all are good at home. So, we are on exercise 2.4. We have completed 5 questions of this exercise. Today we will start the 6th question. Statement on page number 31. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mohali village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? They are saying about a rectangular plot which is reserved for a school. Length and breadth are in the ratio. So length, we have taken ratio of length and breadth. It is given 11:4. So length of rectangular plot, when there is a ratio, so what we do? Firstly, length is given, so length is 11x. We will take a variable with this, and breadth of rectangular, this is 4 ratio, so this is 4x. So they say at the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at the rupees, the cost is 1 meter, cost is 100 rupees, and the total cost to fence the plot is 75,000. Means out, this is, if this is a plot, I say that this is a plot, and to fence the 4 plots. To fence means to take the area, this outside area, where they will be taking the fencing. So this outside area, what is represent? It represents the boundaries perimeter. So we will need to find out perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, the formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. We have length 11x, breadth 4x. We have solved it and we get 30x. Now we will come to in rupees 100 fencing done is equal to 1 meter in length. So in rupees 75,000 fencing done 1 by 100 multiply 75,000. After solving we get 750 meter. Means the area of fencing now comes is 750 meter. And what is this area? This area is perimeter. And what is perimeter we have? 30x, and now perimeter is 750x. So both are equal. So according to given condition, 30x is equal to 750. X is equal to, after solving we get value of x is equal to 25. And what is this x? This x is length. So length is equal to 11 multiply 25 is equal to 275 meter. Breadth is equal to 4 multiply 25 is equal to 100 meter. Next is question number 7. Hassan buy 2 kind of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buy 2 meter of the trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Now the question is about shirt material and the trouser material. The cost of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter and trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. In the next line they say that for every 3 meter of shirt material, if he buy 3 meter of shirt material, then he buy 2 meter of trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and at the shirt the profit is 12% and at the trouser profit he gain is 10%. His total sale is 36,600. So they ask about how much trouser material did he buy, only trouser material. So let us start. But he say for every 3 meter of the shirt material he buy 2 meter of the trouser. So ratio of shirt and trouser material, for every 3 he buy 2. So we have taken 3x ratio 2x. X, because if he buy 3 shirt material for 3 meter, then we buy for 2 meter. Now the next is CP is equal to cost of shirt. CP is the price at which we bought anything. Cost of shirt is equal to, we have given that the cost of 1 meter is 150x. This is the CP. They ask about the total sale, so we have to find out the SP. So SP at 12% profit is equal to, we have the formula of SP, 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 multiply CP. We have given CP, we have profit, so we can find out. 100 plus profit is 12%, 100 into, and our CP is 150x. After solving, we get 168x. Now we comes to the trouser. This is the SP of the shirt. Now cost of trouser is equal to, we call it CP, is equal to, it is given that 90 rupees per meter, multiply material is 2x, so 90 multiply 2x, it is 180x. Now we will find out the CP at, the profit is given 10% profit, same formula, we will put the formula, and after calculation we get 198x. Now according to given condition, this is CP of shirt, this is CP of trouser. When we add both of these, they say that the total sale is 36,600. So this is also the total sale. So we will add x, and x comes here, and on the right hand side there is constant term. The rule is same. We will find out the value of x. X is 100 meter. Then they ask about trouser material. So trouser material bought is equal to, it was 2x, 2 multiply 100, it is 200 meter. Now the next question is 8th question. Half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. They talking about herd in which half are grazing in the field, 3/4 of the remaining playing there nearby, and 9 are drinking water. So firstly we will take, let total deer is equal to x. Now herd of deer grazing in field, they say half. So half of x is x by 2. Now herd of deer playing nearby, they say that half are grazing, but the rest what will be? We will subtract half from the x. X minus x by 2. So these 1/4 of remaining is playing nearby. So 1/4 of means multiply, we will solve it. 3 by 4 x minus x by 2. When we will solve it, we get 3x by 8. Now total deer drinking water is equal to 9. It is given. Now according to given condition, so total are x, half are these and these. 3 types are given: grazing in field, playing and drinking water. So when we will add 3 of these, we will get the total number of here. X and x variables, we will take this to the left hand side, sign will be changed from positive to negative, and there is one constant only, 9. We will solve it, we will take the LCM. After solving, we get x upon 8 is equal to 9. We will take this 8 to the other side, it is in division, it will become in multiply. So x is equal to 72. And what is this x? This x is total deer. Total deer is equal to 72. This is our answer. Next is 9th question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find her present age. Always remember that granddaughter age will be less than the age of the grandfather. So whose age is more? Grandfather. So we will take, let age of granddaughter is equal to x years. Then what will be the age of grandfather? He is 10 times older than it. So 10 multiply x, 10x years. According to question, they say that grandfather is 54 years more than the grandmother. So grandfather age is equal to granddaughter age plus 54 years. So 10x is equal to x plus 54. X, we will take this to the left hand side, the sign will be changed, is equal to 54. 10x minus x, it is 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 9, is in multiply, we take it other side, it will goes in divide, and the answer after calculating is x is equal to 6 years. And what is this x? This x is the age of granddaughter. So age of granddaughter is equal to 6 years, and age of grandfather, it is 10x. 10 multiplied 6, it is 60 years. Now 10th question is, Aman's age is 3 times his son age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age. Find their present age. This saying that at present Aman age is 3 times more than, times means multiply, 3 times more than his son age. But 10 years ago, ago means 10 years before, he was 5 times his son's age. He was 5 times his son age. Find their present age. So let's come to the question. Let son age is equal to x year. This is their present age. Let so Aman age is 3x. 3x means 3 times 10 years ago age of son. Before 10 years, remember that what we are today, we are 10 years less than this, and for less what we do? We do subtraction. So age of son will be subtracted by 10, x minus 10 years. Same like 10 years ago age of Aman. If today age is 3x, then 10 years ago age was 3x minus 10 years. Now according to question, they say we have find out the age of both before 10 years. So they say that 10 years ago the Aman age is 5 times his son age. So Aman age is equal to 5 times of son age. We will solve the question. Solve the bracket. 5x minus 5 multiply 50. 5 multiply 10, which become 50. Constant term on the right hand side and variables terms on the left hand side. After solving, we get x is equal to 20. And what is this x? This x is the son age. So age of son is equal to 20 years, and age of Aman is equal to 3x. 3 multiply 20, it is 60 years. This is end of our exercise. Thank you, students.